What's up, everyone? I hope you're doing well today. And guys, today I have 2020 Donruss football hobby box. And that's a big boy. Look at that, 18 packs and 10 cards per pack. 180 cards total. We can find one autograph and one mem card. In this one, there's also 6 rated rookies. We'll see what we can find in this one. There you go. And that's gotta be a lot of cards. Oh yes. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright, there it goes. First pack. Let's go. Let's start this fun rip. Oh man. What is going on with this pack? Doesn't want to rip that good. Alright, there it is. The Donruss. See how lucky we gotta be. Alright, Matthew Stafford first. Raquan Smith. Sean Taylor. Jared Cook. Greg Olson. And what is that? Filler? It is a filler. And after filler, we have Deshaun Watson. Alright, Gridtron Kings. Alright, now after that we have Aaron Donald. Look at this. Nice one. This is like checkmate or something. It's not numbered anything. Now we got Ezekiel Elliott, Xavier McKinney, rookie, and Jason Peters. All right, let's go with the next pack. Grady Jarrett, JJ Watt, DeAndre Hopkins, Emmitt Smith, Leighton Wonder Egg, and Henry Ruggs, rookie, Gridtron Kings. Alright, this one's cool. Alright, next we got Dominators Derrick Henry. And there he is, Patrick Mahomes. And our rookie Noah Igbenogany. Yeah, this name is always hard for me. And the last card is Joe Mixon. Alright, so we got Henry Ruggs. Let's see the next pack. Alright. Remember, we're looking for rated rookies. And I don't know how many numbered cards this box have. Or if they have any, I don't know. Kurtz Samuel. Oh man, this card is dinged. Good that it's not a good card. Gardner Minshew. Jim Kelly. Mark Andrews. Chase Winovich. Another filler. And after that, we got Joe Montana. And after that, Aaron Jones. And Lamar Jackson. And rookie Eno Benjamin. And Aqib Talib. Alright, there it is. The Kid Reporter card. So could be good something in here. I don't know. We'll see. Ryan Kerrigan. Kevin Byard. Alvin Kamara. Richard Sherman. Danielle Hunter. Oh, there it is. A numbered card out of 100. Donta Hightower. First numbered card. Then we got Elite Series Dalvin Cook. And we got Daniel Sorensen. The champ is here. Cool. And we got Tom Brady. Oh, we're gonna put him by the Patrick Mahomes. And first rated rookie, Justin Jefferson. Awesome. That's what we like to see. Rookies like this. Let's go with the next one. Okay, another Field Reporter card. So, could be rated rookie, right? In the back. We'll see if that's gonna prove, right? Alright, Trey Flowers. Larry Fitzgerald. And what is this? Myles Garrett. Austin Hooper. Chris Godwin. And there you go, rated rookie. Out of 500. Antonio Gandy Golden. Could be better, could be better. Alright, Power Formulas. Keenan Allen. And another Patrick Mahomes Super Bowl MVP. Oh, this is cool card. Really nice. And we have Minka Fitzpatrick. And I was right. Rated rookie Lynn Bowden Jr. Not good. Okay, let's see. Alright, there you go. Another one. Probably rated rookie in the back. We'll see though. Marlon Mack. Devin Singletary. Sonny Mikel. Mike Williams. And there's an auto. Ahman Green. Really? Oh man. And that's out of 99. This is our auto, not a rookie. That's a bit unfortunate. It is what it is. Let's keep going. There you go, rookie. Gridtron Kings, Clyde Edward-Helaire. All right, out of 100, no, out of 900. Wow. Well, this is still very, very good. Awesome rookie. I just don't like that the corner is a bit dinged. What you can do, right? All right, what you have next? Kerryon Johnson. Shaquille Barrett. All right. And then we have Davante Adams. And rated rookie Chase Claypool. Good, good, good. This is good. We're not gonna have auto anymore, right? Alright, so let's see. Okay. Yeah, this one doesn't have the Kid Reporter card. No rated rookies. So let's see. Joe Namath. Jack Youngblood. Jared Goff. Golden Tate. Dalvin Cook. Raider rookie Devin Duvernay. Oh, okay. How many rated rookies we already have? I think we're gonna run out of them soon. Then we have George Kittle Dominators. And DJ Chark Jr. And rookie Logan Wilson. And Brett Favre. Alright, here it goes. Next pack. Luke Well, Luke Kelly, Allen Robinson. Oh, these cards are together stick. Trent Williams, Tyler Lockett, Deontay Harris, a filler, Todd Gurley, press proof. Why these cards are stick? What is happening? Devin Duvernay, the rookie again. We got him. Okay, the next Aaron Rodgers, the rookie Ross Blacklock. And the last one is Chris Jones. I don't like how some of the cards is stick together. Why is that? It's not even old cards, it's 2020. Kenny Stills, Todd Gurley, Deshaun Watson, Peyton Manning, Von Miller, and press proof Lawrence Taylor. And the rookies Keshawn Wan. Alright. Next we have DJ Moore and rookie Nate Stanley and Devontae Parker. Yeah, it's getting harder and harder to rip these for some reason. Alright, so in here we should get rated rookie. We'll see though. Alright, Hunter Renfro, Jason Witten, Saquon Barkley, Justin Tucker, Drew Bledsoe. There you go, Chase Young rated rookie canvas. Nice. Here you go. This is nice pull finally as well. But you know what? We're not getting quarterbacks. Not getting rated rookie quarterbacks. Alright, let's see. Elite Series rookie Justin Jefferson in here as well. Very nice. So we got two Justin Jeffersons. Alright, and then we got wild card Russell Wilson. And rookie Kenneth Murray. And the last card is Jerome Baker. Okay. They're sticking together again. Adam Peterson. AJ Brown. Jerry Rice. Drew Brees. And this is a mem card. Okay, what is this? Alright, Tony Dorsett. Out of 299. And next one we have rated rookie J.K. Dobbins. Canvas again. Oh my gosh, we're getting nice rookies, but as I say, not a single quarterback yet. I mean, good one, right? Alright, this is cool. Okay, what we have next? Ed Reed. Legend Series. Then we have Justin Tucker. And this guy follows me everywhere. Damon Arnett. Okay, and Alshon Jeffrey, the last card. Alright, let's go with the next pack. Yeah, I don't like these packs, how they rip. Maybe they was in a heat somewhere, this box, for a long time or something. I don't know. Buda Baker. Kerryon Johnson. DeMarcus Lawrence, Ezekiel Elliott, Jarvis Landry, and another Raider rookie, Ben DiNucci. Canvas, there you go. First quarterback. And then we got Elite Series rookies, Jonathan Taylor. Let's go. I never get his card. Can you imagine? I opened so many boxes. This is my first card of him. Crazy. Why he's so rare for me? I don't know. Are you getting lucky, guys, to get this guy? I'm not that lucky. All right, let's keep going. Jagham, Legends of the Fall. And Jalen Johnson rookie card. All right, and Geno Atkins. Okay, let's keep going. We have like 6 packs left, I think. All right, I think you saw the last card. Let's see. Leonard Fournier. Teddy Bridgewater. Quentin Nelson. Julian Edelman. Derwin James Jr. Filler. Oh. Press proof out of 75. Von Miller. Okay, what we have next? The rookies, Van Jefferson, Deshaun Watson, Aaron Rodgers, and Raider rookies, T. Higgins. All right, not too bad at all. There it is. Okay. Go with the next pack. What's in here? Jamison Crowder, Tyler Higbee, Marcus Allen, Nick Bosa, Eric Hendricks, rookie Darnell Mooney, Minka Fitzpatrick, and Kenny Golladay, Patrick Mahomes, and rated rookie Jake Fromm. Right, let's go with the next pack. There it is. Walton Payton, David Montgomery, Cole Holcomb, Ronald Jones, Shaquille Barrett, Filler, and what is this? Miles Sanders out of 500. All right. DK Metcalf, Russell Wilson, Deontay Johnson, and what is this? Cam Akers, rated rookie. 3 more packs, guys. Last packs on the bottom of the box. Let's see if they put something good in the bottom of the box. Paul Beasley, Brandon Cooks, Casey Hayward, Bradley Chubb, Christian McCaffrey, and press proof, John Hightower, rookie press proof. We got Elite Series Saquon Barkley, Len Dawson, Anthony Winfield Jr. rookie. And Jack Lambert. Okay, let's see this one. Josh Jacobs, Josh Allen, Leonard Williams, Kirk Cousins, Daniel Jones, and press proof Christian McCaffrey, as well as elite series rookies Michael Pittman Jr. And the champ is here, Harrison Butker, John Hightower, and Carson Wentz. Alright guys, last pack is here. Let's see the last players. Dwayne Haskins, Ryan Tannehill, DK Metcalf, Marshawn Lattimore, Kyle Juszczyk, and rated rookie Jerry Jeudy press proof. All right, this is nice. I'll take that. Let's go. And then we have Amon Green, as well as Joe Montana retro series. And one more rookie, Ashton Davis. And the last card, Joe Montana again. Alright, you guys, so quick recap. We got a bunch of regular base rookies. If I go through these, nothing crazy at all. No good ones in this one. And in here, we have better rookies. So we have Michael Pittman Jr., Cam Akers, T. Higgins, Van Jefferson, Jonathan Taylor, Chase Young, Devin Duvernay, Chase Claypool, Lynn Bowden Jr., Justin Jefferson, Henry Ruggs. And in this stack, we have Jerry Jeudy press proof, Jake Fromm, Ben DiNucci, J.K. Dobbins, Justin Jefferson, Keshawn Vaughn, Devin Duvernay, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Antonio Gandy Golden. And we also got the out of Amon Green and some other numbered cards, but nothing crazy in there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash a like button, it really helps, and subscribe if you want to see more content from me, and we will see you in the next one pretty soon. Peace!